Today we'll be setting up the Scarlett Solo by Focusrite. Fair warning, this probably won't be a full tutorial on how to use the device. I made this tutorial solely because I couldn't find a tutorial that specifically talked about the thing I was trying to do. So I thought, why not? Let's go for it. When you're going to record your microphone audio, the first thing you need to do is make sure that your input is on input 1. Input 1 directly correlates with just the microphone. If you have it on input 2, it's not going to record your microphone audio. Now, when you're going to record your instrument audio with your 3.5 millimeter jack, you must have your audio on input 2. Just like when recording your microphone audio, if you have your audio on input 1, it's not going to record your instrument audio, and most likely will record it going through your mic. Putting it on input 2 makes sure that you can record that audio. Now, I also thought I'd include a little bit of a setup when it comes to using the Solo. The Solo comes with a microphone jack through an XLR cable, an instrument jack through a 3.5 millimeter cable, a headphone jack through another 3.5 millimeter cable, along with some knobs that control the gain of your microphone and your instrument, along with another one that controls the audio coming through your headphones. In the back is a USB cable that goes straight into your computer, paired with some standard left and right cables. Well, that's all I got. If you like this tutorial, leave a like, maybe even subscribe, or maybe you hated it, so dislike it. Or leave a comment and tell me why you hated it so much. Either way, I hope you're having a great day. Thanks.